The rise of AI isn't just another tech trend. This is a fundamental shift in how society works, creating a massive divide between two kinds of people: those who tell AI what to do, and those who are told what to do by AI. The reason so many are on the wrong path has nothing to do with intelligence. It comes down to one critical mistake, a quiet error in thinking that's making them less valuable in real time. But there's a way to get on the right side of this shift. It's not about learning to code. It's a timeless mindset, forged in the chaos of the Roman Empire, that holds the key to not just surviving the age of AI, but thriving in it. Stick with me, and I'll show you the mistake and give you the ancient framework to make sure you're the one in control. So, what's this colossal mistake? It's passive acceptance. It's the belief that your career and your skills are things that just happen to you, not things that are built by you. For decades, the system had a clear path. Go to school, get a job, follow instructions, and get paid. Your career was a train on a fixed track. But AI has ripped up those tracks. The person waiting for the next set of instructions is the person most at risk. This isn't just about assembly lines. AI is now performing tasks in fields we thought were safe, from creative arts to complex problem solving. A passive employee can't compete with an active 24/7 digital partner. The mistake is thinking, my company will tell me what AI tools to use. That's the modern version of a scribe in the 15th century hearing about the printing press and saying, I'll stick with my quill. He wasn't just wrong, he became irrelevant. Passivity is a recipe for being left behind. So, how do you go from being a passive bystander to an active architect of your future? The answer comes from Stoicism. Now, this isn't about being emotionless. Stoicism is a practical philosophy for thriving in high-stress, high-stakes environments. And right now we are all in the middle of a massive professional shakeup. The Stoics understood that the world is chaotic. They knew you couldn't control outside events, but you could always control your response. This philosophy is the perfect antidote to the anxiety of the AI revolution. It's the framework for taking back control. It can be broken down into 4 powerful ideas you can use today. First, understand that some things are up to us and others are not. You can't control when the next big AI model drops or the scary headlines it creates. Wasting energy on that is pointless. What can you control? Your curiosity, your willingness to learn. The 30 minutes you spend today using an AI tool, instead of just scrolling past headlines about it. Here's your action. Create an AI gym. Every day for 30 minutes, actively use an AI. Ask a chatbot to help you write an email. Try an image generator. When you do this, you change from a passive consumer to an active user. You are focusing on the one thing you have 100% control over, your own skill. The second pillar is premeditatio malorum, or the premeditation of evils. Performance coaches call this negative visualization. The Stoics would intentionally imagine worst-case scenarios to prepare for them and strip them of their power. Apply this to your career. Sit down and ask, if an AI was built to do my job, what would it do first? Be honest. Would it take over your data analysis, your report writing? Then ask the most important follow-up. What's left? And how can I use my uniquely human skills, creativity, strategy, empathy, to make that part 10 times more valuable? This exercise turns vague anxiety into a clear career strategy. You identify where you're vulnerable and start building where you're durable. The third pillar is a phrase for every professional today. The obstacle is the way. Every challenge isn't a roadblock, but the very path to growth. Many see AI as an obstacle, a threat and a complication. A Stoic sees it as the raw material for their next breakthrough. Here's your action. Pinpoint the single most tedious part of your job. Now make it your mission to find an AI tool that can help you do it. Your goal isn't just to save time, it's to practice the meta skill of the 21st century, AI leverage. The person who does this isn't the one being automated, they're the one driving the automation. The final pillar is amor fati, a love of one's fate. This means radically accepting the reality of the present moment without anger or bitterness, and choosing to find the good in it. Too many people are wasting energy wishing things were like they used to be. Amor fati means looking at the AI revolution and saying, this is the world now, I will find a way to excel in it. Here's your final action. Shift your identity. You're not just a graphic designer. You are a visual problem solver who uses generative AI to bring ideas to life. This isn't just playing with words, it's a declaration that you are embracing the new reality, that you love your fate and that you are ready. The great divide AI is creating isn't about technology, it's about mindset. On one side are the spectators waiting for instructions, fearful of the future. On the other side are the proactive adapters, the modern Stoics. They focus on what they can control. They're learning. They face their fears to build a strategy. They turn the obstacle of AI into their path for growth. And they radically accept the new reality, choosing to win. The future isn't set. The only question left is the one the Stoics posed 2 millennia ago. Will you be a victim of your circumstances or the master of your response? The choice is and always will be yours. If this changed how you think, hit that subscribe button, and let me know in the comments, which of the 4 Stoic pillars will you start practicing today? Thanks for watching AI in Mind.